It came back over here.
What?
The strings came over here on the step.
We're so gonna find out what the heck's going on.
They're shooting off at 22, BZ.
She wouldn't know. What's making out the poppy noise? Oh, wait,
The shell's going off. It's either a starter gun or
a gun.
it could be a starter gun. I don't know.
Hurry up, always how I say it. You burned yourself?
We're gonna have to call you Smokey.
My pot is not here. You already did that. That one was on accident. Right in the eye too. I didn't mean to. I take it back. Eyebrow. Again. Oh, good. Stop it. Don't touch that kind. Don't touch anything. What kind of dog? The kind named Bob.
The kind named Bob?
Yes. Magical refilling bag. Yes.
Yeah, as long as it's something you want instead of something you don't want, it's fine.